The tech world is about to change forever. On June 8, WWDC 2026 is almost here, and Apple is preparing to release a massive wave of products that will leave the competition completely in the dust. This is not just a small update. This is a total takeover. We have just received groundbreaking leaks about 7 insane new products. If you think you know what Apple is capable of, think again. Apple is stepping up its game with the brand new M5 chips. We are looking at a 30% boost in CPU speed and a massive 50% jump in graphics performance. Apple is also finally killing the tiny 256GB base storage. From now on, 512GB is the new minimum. The era of old Intel Macs is totally dead. Let's dive into the first major product, iOS 27. Last year, iOS 26 was a total mess with way too many bugs. For iOS 27, Apple completely rebuilt the core code from the ground up to fix bugs and seriously boost battery life. You can even turn down heavy visual effects in the settings if you want more raw speed. But the biggest news is the folding iPhone. Apple is finally ready to challenge the competition. iOS 27 is built specifically to make the folding iPhone the ultimate device. It moves seamlessly between folded and unfolded modes without any lag. Next up is the all-new AI Siri. Siri used to be a joke, but Apple is dropping a massive update called Siri 2.0. It runs on a real AI brain with a completely natural chat interface. You can tell Siri to take a screenshot, edit the colors, and send it to a friend all in one single breath. It has a real memory and actually knows what is on your screen right now. You will not need separate chatbots anymore. Then we have the incredible M5 Mac Mini. It uses almost zero power, makes absolutely no fan noise, and easily beats expensive Intel gaming towers. It stays ice cold even under intense pressure. If you need even more power, the fourth product is the heavy-duty M5 Mac Studio. Featuring the insane M5 Ultra chip, it literally doubles the computing power of the standard M5. It can process massive AI workloads right on your desk without sending your private data to the cloud. Product number 5 is macOS 27. Apple is officially dropping all support for old Intel chips. By doing this, the entire system is clean, lean, and ridiculously fast. It ties your powerful Mac perfectly with your iPhone and iPad so you can smoothly drag and drop files instantly. It also brings the brand new Smart Siri directly to your desktop computer. The sixth amazing product is the brand new Apple TV 4K. Apple is putting the crazy fast S17 Pro chip right inside this box to turn it into a real home gaming console. The absolute killer feature is HDMI pass-through. You can plug your game console directly into the Apple TV, making it the single main brain for your entire entertainment system. It is a completely ad-free, premium hub. Finally, product number 7 is the brand new Apple Smart Home Hub. Apple is officially taking over the smart home market. Imagine a beautiful small iPad perfectly attached to a high-quality speaker. It runs the new AI Siri to easily control your lights, check your calendar, and see who is at your front door. It features incredible audio and strictly follows Apple's privacy rules, making older competitors look totally outdated. In my honest opinion, the leap to the M5 chip will completely redefine what we expect from everyday computers. Upgrading the base storage to 512GB shows they finally care about the user experience again. Plus, the Siri AI update is easily the most critical software jump Apple has made in a decade. These 7 leaks clearly prove WWDC 2026 will be a truly historic event. Which of these insane new products are you most excited to buy? Drop a quick comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon like that.